I just bought the cheapest running and driving BMW in the country. And the craziest part is that I almost got it for free. After spending countless days on Marketplace looking for the right deal, I could not find anything at all. On the 5th day, I was losing my mind, and all of a sudden, as I was sitting down, I found the deal of a lifetime. So without further ado, this is the channel's new flip car. So it seems that I cannot escape the BMW life. So behind me is our new 2007 BMW 328. And once again, I got super lucky. And this car is a manual rear-wheel drive car. And you won't even believe for how long this car has been sitting. As I arrived there, the seller tells me that the car hasn't ran in 15 months. I saw that the car was not running nor driving, and it was in horrible shape. There was leaves everywhere. There's literally moss on one side of the car. We think that the car's been parked more than 2 years. Good morning. So I told you that we're going to increase the risk because we have only 40 days to generate $10,000 in order to send my M3 to get the broken roof fixed at one of the best restoration shops that I know. And you might see that I'm in a little bit of a different setting than the garage today, only because I am stealing parts off of my friend's car in order to make the other car run. This is my good friend Zhang, and today, like I said, I'm stealing parts off of him. So the good part is that my friend has exactly the same car, and today we're stealing the fuel pump from his car in order to make the other car run. So this is a big risk. I also owe you guys a price breakdown of the previous 325 that I sold. It's going to be in this video, as well as I will tell you exactly how much I paid for the new BMW. Let's get to work. Okay, so we packed everything in. We have the fuel pump from the other car. So we're gonna attempt to get the car started. Let's do it. Okay, we got the fuel pump out. Yeah, so the new one is going in now, and fingers crossed that that's the problem and the car starts, so we can drive it instead of towing it, and that would be a huge success because we would know that we're buying a running car. No.
So close.
Oh, gas it.
Close.
So basically, the car didn't start because of a tiny fuse that powers up the fuel pump. And I'm talking a $2 fuse. I won't go too much into details, but I really want to show you the fuse that I replaced. If you look in the glove box inside, I know you can't see much. One of these tiny little fuses was out and it was keeping the whole car from starting. It took me 4 hours to get this car started. I came back the next day. I checked everything on the car. I checked fuel pump. I removed the fuel pump. My friend gave me his fuel pump. That was not the issue. I put new fuel in it. I put starter fluid on it. I did everything. And just when I thought it was not going to work out, the only thing that the car needed was a $2 fuse. A $2 fuse, and it was not throwing any codes. This is the cheapest BMW in the country. Now, this wasn't even the hard work. The 4 hours that I spent on this car was not even the hard part. Now, we have to restore it. And this is the new project for the channel. Well, it's dark outside and the footage is not the best, but here she is. She's off the driveway and onto the towing. So, it's time for a price breakdown. Remember when I told you in the beginning of the video that the car was practically free? Well, it's not practically. It was actually free, and the reason why lies in this box of parts. Let me show you. So, with the car came an exhaust, and this one, I don't know if you can see properly, it's a brand that I researched. I forgot what the I stands for, but this is I Engineering. So these ones are actually going for $360 US. So already we're at $360 off from the initial payment of the car. The next thing I got is a set of coilovers. The first time that I saw them in the box, I thought they were a cheaper brand, but we hit the lottery, honestly. These are H&R premium coilovers, and as you can see, they're a little bit dusty, but they're super clean. There's no oil leaking. So these ones, I can sell them for over $800. So already, just with these two, the exhaust and the coilovers, the car is practically free. But wait, there's more. Remember that the car came with some wheels, so these wheels are worth some money as well. And now I'm going to do the full price breakdown. So the full price breakdown of the car is the following. I got this 328 manual rear-wheel drive in Alpine White for $1,000 US. Now, all the parts that I showed you equate to coilovers. I got the full set, the front and the rear. This goes for $870 US. The exhaust that I showed you just now is worth $360. And last but not least, the wheels that the car came with are $580 US. These are obviously not the price of the parts whenever they were new. I discounted them because obviously they're used, but in decent condition. All in all, I'm getting $800 in profit from the parts alone, and the car came free. So already we're winning. So we covered everything from finding the car to getting it started and to actually making it run and ending up in my garage needing like a million things to do on it. So the only thing that's left now in the next video is to fix everything that's wrong on this car. And at the end of the next video, I will post a full profit breakdown once I sell the car. And I also owe you guys a profit breakdown of the previous BMW 325i that we had on the channel. So quick recap, the car was $2,000 and the parts that I installed myself into it were $212 for a total of $2,212, and we sold the car a couple of days later for $3,100. So the total profit that I had on this car was $900, and honestly, it's really not that bad for our first flip car. All right, so that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really does help out a lot, and I will see you guys at the next video. Cheers.